reaction, that is nucleophilic substitution internal reaction, that is SNI mechanism. Substitution, that is a nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution internal means substitution takes place, nucleophilic substitution takes place by internally within the molecule, and it will give you retention of configuration. Retention of configuration. In case of SN1 mechanism, there was a formation of racemic mixture possible. In case of SN2 mechanism, there was inversion of configuration, right? And in case of SNI type of mechanism, it will give you retention of configuration. So in last lecture, you have already discussed about what is meant by NGP. So NGP stands for neighboring group participation. Neighboring group participation. So because of neighboring group participation, if in a molecule, within the molecule, any group which can be act as a nucleophile within the same molecule, if there is any group which can act as a nucleophile, then it can attack backward from the in the compound, and the leaving group will be eliminated out from the backside. Means like a SN2 attack was there. Suppose in case of we will take one example about NGP reaction. Suppose we have a compound like this, bromopropanoic acid, OH, then there is one methyl group, there is one hydrogen, one Br group, this time. Okay, now if we have, this is a substrate molecule, and now in this compound we have this OH group, and our leaving group is Br is acting as a leaving group. Now NGP means what? If there is a compound which containing one nucleophilic nucleophile, here this O minus, if I remove this H, it will be O minus H plus. So this O minus may act as a nucleophile, and it can be attacked from backward position on this carbon atom, and this Br minus will be eliminated out. So in the same molecule there is a presence of nucleophile. So this nucleophile will push this electrons, and this Br minus will be eliminated out as a leaving group. So you will get a transition state, that is this C double bond O as it is, and the new bond will form between this oxygen and this carbon, right? And here is the Me, and hydrogen comes to upward position. So there is a SN2 mechanism, and in case of SN2 mechanism, you already know that after SN2, one SN2 mechanism will give you inversion of configuration, right? To give you inversion of configuration. Why? Because of attack of nucleophile taking from backside. So it will give you inversion of configuration, and this is an intramolecular reaction. Intramolecular SN2 mechanism, right? And the second step is, second SN2 attack will take place from outer side, outer nucleophile. If it is OH minus, then this attack of nucleophile will take place outer side. So it will be intermolecular SN2 attack. Now this attack will take place from this side, and this bond will be, these electrons will be shifted on this oxygen. So it will be give you structure like first Me as it is. Here is substitution of this OH. So you can see this OH comes at towards the observer, this hydrogen away from the observer. Now you can see here is the again second SN2 attack. So after SN2 attack, again inversion of configuration. So here first SN2 attack will give you inversion of configuration, and second SN2 attack will give you inversion of configuration. So totally inversion. So finally you will get retention of configuration. Suppose here we have a R configuration, right? If we have this R configuration, then it will, after first intramolecular attack, see I'm saying intramolecular attack means the nucleophile is present within the molecule. Okay, so first intramolecular attack, that is SN2 attack, will changes R configuration to S configuration. And now the second intermolecular attack means this nucleophile is taking part in this reaction or acting as a nucleophile from the outer side. Second molecule, outer from this molecule. So it is an intermolecule. Two different molecules are doing reaction. So this intermolecular attack, this nucleophile is attacking from this side, and again the second attack is there. So it also give inversion of configuration. So this S changes to again R. Now you can see firstly we have R configuration and lastly again we have R. So totally it is retention of configuration. So it is about NGP reaction. In case of normal SN1, racemic mixture is possible. In case of SN2, inversion of configuration is there, right? Inversion of configuration because of the backside attack. And in case of NGP, means if there is any neighboring group present in the molecule, there is a retention of configuration takes place. But there are some reactions. In case of this SNI mechanism, we have to talk about SNI mechanism. There is some reaction where, so in case of this SNI reaction, means in nucleophilic substitution internal reaction, there are no any nucleophile present within the molecule, means there is no NGP taking place, but SN2 reactions giving retention of configuration. Retention of configuration is present in SNI mechanism. Why? See, in case of NGP, retention of configuration is because of two successive SN2 reactions are there. First SN2 give you inversion of configuration, again second SN2 giving you inversion of configuration. So totally it is retention of configuration. But within the molecule, if there is no any nucleophile compound group present, then also that molecule can give you retention of configuration if there is a SNI mechanism is taking place. Suppose we have an example. Suppose we have this molecule, that is MEC, phenyl group is there. Okay, one phenyl ethanol. Okay, one phenyl ethanol. In presence of this SOCl2, what happened? Chlorination will happen. This OH will be replaced by, this OH will be replaced by this Cl. So you will get a product, this MEC. See, now we are getting retention of configuration, mean the stereochemistry will remain same. Cl and SO2 will be eliminated out. You can see for the priority, first, second and third, fourth group, that is less substitute for a less priority group at the away from the observer. So you can see it is a 1, 2, 3. So it is S configuration. Then in case of this compound, first, second, third. So it is again S configuration. If this hydrogen is present at towards the observer, means less substitute or less priority group towards the observer, then we have to change this conformation, right? So now we have, firstly we have S, and after chlorination again we have in product S. So this will give you retention of configuration, right? We are getting retention of configuration. So it is a SN2 type of attack. But why after a single SN2 attack it is giving you retention of configuration? Because we know that SN2 attack will give you inversion of configuration. So in this type of reaction there is SNI mechanism works. So how this works, let's see its mechanism. So we have this compound, and when it reacted with this SOCl2, after elimination of this HCl, we can say in case of normal chlorination reaction, as OH is replaced by chlorine atom, it will be a normal SN2 reaction, but it is not acting like this. In presence of this SOCl2, after minus HCl, means mole of HCl, this oxygen is get connected with this sulfur, and you will get a compound, that is MEC, PH, H, and oxygen and sulfur bond formation takes place, and HCl is removed out. So now we have this compound, that is alkyl chlorosulfide. Now from this alkyl chlorosulfide, the chlorination will take place, that is this chlorine atom will attach on this carbon atom. So this reaction will take place not normal SN2 way, it is happen as this carbon oxygen bond breakdown takes place. formation takes place, and these ion means ion pair formation takes place. Means suppose this bond breakdown of this bond takes place, then you will get carbon, this pH as it is, this hydrogen as it is. As oxygen is more electronegative, after breakdown of this bond, is 2 electrons from this bond will shift on this oxygen. So you will get a pair that is cation and plus this oxygen minus sulfur, oxygen and Cl. So here this oxygen containing negative charge and carbon containing positive charge. So you can say it is a ion pair. We are getting this ion pair. Now this ion, in case of this ion pair, here we have this, we can write this structure in different manner. Suppose I am writing it like this: Me, C, pH and hydrogen. We have this oxygen which containing negative charge, sulfur and chlorine. Now this chlorine having lone pair of electron. Now this chlorine, this lone pair of electron may act as a nucleophile on this carbocation. Okay, attack takes place and formation of new bond between this chlorine and carbon takes place. So you will get and removal of this bond, as breakdown of this bond takes place. So you will get a new bond formation between carbon and chlorine. So methyl, then phenyl, hydrogen and new bond between carbon and chlorine. So you can see from which position OH is eliminated out, means this is the leaving group, and new attack of nucleophile takes place at the same position, means stereochemistry is maintained here. There is no inversion of configuration. First it was same and last it was remain as it is. So it is a retention of configuration. Retention of configuration. You can see in this addition reaction there is no internal nucleophile which can be act as an NGP, neighboring group participant, and if there is no if there is no neighboring group, you will get retention of configuration, because this type of reaction is goes by SNI mechanism. Okay, nucleophilic substitution internal reaction. So this is about SNI mechanism.